Hi, seventh grade. Today we're going to be continuing talking about human body systems with the digestive system. Your essential question for today says, what are the functions of the digestive system? All right, let's get started. The main functions of the digestive system include ingesting, digesting, absorbing, and eliminating food. So it has four big jobs that it needs to do. You can see in our picture over to the left, ingesting is when you first put food into your body. Then the food digests. After the food digests, all those nutrients are absorbed. And then lastly, anything that is not needed is eliminated from your body. So digestion is the process that breaks down food into small molecules so they can be absorbed and moved into the blood. There are two different types of digestion that we're going to talk about today: mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. So let's learn more about this. Before we can talk too much about mechanical digestion and chemical digestion, we need to know that there are five main organs in the digestive system that we're going to be talking about today: the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. And let's start with the mouth. This is where digestion begins. In the mouth, you have mechanical digestion occurring by your teeth and your tongue actually compressing that food, making it smaller, kind of chewing it up. And then chemical digestion occurs with the saliva that's released in your mouth. Within your saliva, you have enzymes that help to chemically break down that food. So once your food leaves your mouth and goes further into your digestive system, that's the end of ingestion. Now we're going to go to digestion. So we have your esophagus coming up next. No digestion actually occurs in your esophagus. It is a kind of like a canal, like a pathway that connects your mouth to your stomach. So in your esophagus is lined by muscles that help to push that food downward. So that's the main job of the esophagus. It pushes your food downward. All right, in your stomach, this is where we have digestion occurring mechanically and chemically. So your stomach is a muscular bag that expands when food enters it. Food can be mixed up physically, right? Because your stomach is a muscle, it will end up moving that food around. But food can also be digested chemically. You have enzymes that are released in your stomach. You have hydrochloric acid solution that helps to break down the food in your stomach. And in this process, your food is changed into a liquid called chyme, which will be passed down into your small intestine and then your large intestine. So in your small intestine, this is actually where most digestion occurs. This occurs chemically. This is chemical digestion. One way this happens is through bile, which is added from your liver. It helps to chemically digest those large fat particles that were in that chyme so that they're no longer there anymore by the time it enters your large intestine. So when chyme enters your large intestine, it's a thin, watery mixture, and the main job of the large intestine is to absorb any water from this undigested mass. That way your body can retain a lot of that water and it doesn't exit your body with the rest of the waste. So that's it for today. Go ahead and go to Google Classroom, answer your question of the day.